If you run a service business, whether you're a real estate agent, a plumber, or run a marketing agency, you know this pain. It's 7 p.m. and you're finally having dinner with your family and the phone rings. You have a terrible mistake to make. Option A, you answer it, interrupting your life and burning out. Option B, you let it go to voicemail. But here's the brutal truth. Voicemail is where leads go to die. Statistics show that nearly 80% of all callers will simply hang up rather than leaving a message. They just call your competitors instead. Today we're deleting option A and option B. I'm going to show you how to build option C, an intelligent traffic controller for your phone lines using Twilio and ElevenLabs. An intelligent traffic routing for your phone lines that routes to an AI voice agent in after hours. So anytime it's after 5 p.m. and a caller calls, your AI voice agent will be there to take the phone call and answer any sort of questions or collect the lead's details so you don't have to worry. Now a quick heads up before we start building. In this video, I'm assuming you have already created your AI agents inside of ElevenLabs and you've already purchased your phone number in Twilio. If you haven't done that part yet, watch this video. Let's talk about why we are doing this. So benefit number one is we have instant lead capture. So when you're unavailable and your AI voice agent answers, the customer is going to feel heard immediately. The AI can answer basic questions like, are you open tomorrow? How much do you charge? Or can I make a booking for next Monday? That stops them from calling the next number on Google. Benefit number two is the big business feel. Nothing makes a small business look bigger than a professional 24/7 presence. It signals trust and competence. So today, we're going to build a logic flow that automatically detects if you're open or closed and routes the call accordingly. So today, we're going to use Twilio Studio. It's Twilio's visual drag and drop builder. So before we begin, here's the logic that we're going to implement. First, we have a bouncer. We check the day of the week. So if it's Saturday or Sunday, we immediately route to the AI. Second, if it is a weekday, we then check the hour. So if it's between 9 a.m. and 5 p.m., we ring your cell phone. But if it's 5:01, we're going to forward it to our AI agent. This ensures that you're never bothered on the weekends, but you never miss a lead during the workday. Okay, so what you want to do is to log into Twilio Studio and then search for flows. From the Flows tab, click on Create New Flow. Let's just call this Business Hours Routing Demo. Click on Next. And you'll see that Twilio has a number of templates that are ready to go. So appointment reminders, simple IVRs, chatbots, text surveys, and call forwarding. Whatever your use case is, you'll have a template to start with. But for this demo, let's start from scratch. So our trigger for this flow is going to be an incoming call. So the first widget that I want you to drag is the split based on. The first part of our flow is to check what day of the week it is. So we're going to add a variable to check what day of the week it is. Now we have different transitions, which is different branches. So for our first transition, we're going to check the day of the week matches any of the following. We'll just use Saturday and Sunday. Click on Save and then join the incoming call to your check day of the week. Now don't worry about the lines yet because we'll fix it up at the very end. Next, we need to check what time the call is made. So select another split based upon and put it to the left. Here, we're going to call this one check the business hours, and then we're going to check what time the call has been made. Click on transitions and select set value again. Now for our new condition, select the check business hours and then change it to matches any of. And for our values, paste 0, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. So that means that if the call is made between 9 to 4:59, it's within business hours. So save that and let's connect the check day of the week. So if no conditions are met, it means that it's Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, or Friday. So let's connect that to our check business hours widget. And we'll save that. Cool, now that we've got our two checks ready, let's go ahead and create our forward to the AI agent and another block for forwarding to our mobile phone. So in the widget library, select Connect Call To, and we'll call this one Forward to Me. Here we can type our mobile phone number, Now make sure when you type the phone number, you're using the E164 format, which means it has to start with the plus country code and then the phone number. So let's go ahead and save that. And now let's drag another connect call to, and we're going to call this one forward to AI. So in the connect call to, paste the phone number for your ElevenLabs AI agent and then click on save. Now let's hook up the open transitions to our forward to AI or forward to me blocks. So in the check day of the week, go to transitions. Now if the values match Saturday or Sunday, we want that to go to forward to our AI. And we'll just move that across to make it a bit neater. Now in our check business hours, let's go to the transitions. So if it matches any of the numbers between 9 and 16, we want to forward that to myself. And if no conditions are met, we want to forward that to our AI agent. So we'll save that as well. Now we'll just clean up the layout so we can see what's happening. And perfect. Now we'll go ahead and publish this flow. Now I want you to go to your active phone numbers in Twilio. Click on the active phone number and then make sure you're in the configure tab. Scroll down to when a call comes in, change it from webhook to a studio flow. Now select the flow that you've just created and then scroll down to the bottom and click on save configuration. Now that the flow is published, let's give it a call.
Hi there. Thanks for contacting ElevenWare. I'm Sarah. How can I help you today?
Hey Sarah, I'm just calling to check on the status of my order.
Certainly. I can help with that. Could you please provide me with your order number?
From the top of my head, my order number is 8842.
Thanks. One moment while I check that for you. Your order, number 8842, is currently out for delivery and should arrive by 5 p.m. today. It was delayed due to severe weather.
Thank you so much, Sarah. Have a fantastic day. Bye. And just like that, we've been able to use our AI agent to answer the caller's question after hours to find the status of the delivery. And that's it. You now have a system that protects your free time, captures every lead, and makes your business look incredibly professional. I've put the JSON code for this entire build inside my automation vault. You can get free access to the vault by clicking the link in the description below. And if you found this video helpful, hit subscribe. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.